Are you sure we signed up for this battalion? Relax, we're heroes. Tiny and huge heroes.
What was that? An explosion? A tank?
That was your stomach growling, big guy.
Oh, still terrifying.
And it's a boulder attack! Calm down, it's literally a pebble.
Pebble! Pebbles kill too, emotionally.
You distract the enemy.
Why me?
Because you're distractingly big.
That's body shaming in a war zone.
Punches! Retreat! Retreat! Wait, oh.
Did we just survive a butterfly attack? We are legends.
If you like that short movie you just watched, guess what? Grok AI made the whole thing. Yep, even me. I'm literally a digital panda tutorial on how to make long videos that actually go viral, all with Grok AI. If Grok can create a scared soldier panda like me, imagine what you can make. Let's go!
Okay, to do that, we go to grok.com, grok.com. Yeah, then you press enter. Then it takes you to the, yes, we are here. This is grok.com. Before you get here, you must have registered with Grok AI, grok.com, possibly using your Gmail account. I registered using my Gmail account. So let us go ahead. Let's look. I have the prompt already. I've already generated a prompt using ChatGPT. The title of the story is "The Brave Sort Of." It's like a comedy, something that sound humorous. The first scene is the first shot. We have the first shot, which contains the scene and the dialogue. We are going to copy it, and the dialogue between a panda and the ants. They are in the war zone, and a smoky war zone trench in 3D pixel style. So let's copy this. When you get to Grok AI, you can see something of create image here. You can also see imagine. You can either use create image or imagine, or you go to create image. When you come down here, you can hover the options. We have image here. By the right hand side, you click on it. We have generate a video. We have aspect ratio 3:2. We have 1:1. We have 2:3. We have 2:3. So for this tutorial, I will want to use aspect ratio 2:3. Aspect ratio 2:3. Aspect ratio 2:3. Okay, let me use aspect ratio 3:2. 3:2. Okay. And the setting will be generate a video. Okay, then I'll paste the prompt here. Type to imagine. I paste it here. Okay, I have the prompt. Then I click enter, like this icon. It's generating the video already. Let us see what it gives to us.
Are you sure we signed up for this battalion? Relax, we're heroes. Tiny and huge heroes.
Yes, we have it. We have it. We have it. We have it now. We have it now. Let's play it. Let's play the first.
Are you sure we signed up for this battalion? Relax, we're heroes. Tiny and huge heroes. Are you sure we signed up for this battalion? Relax, we're heroes. Tiny and huge heroes. Are you sure
that is it? So we have this already. Then we'll have to download it. Yes, it is downloaded. Now we have the second scene. What are we going to do to get this second scene, to continue from this scene to the second scene? So what we are going to do, we have a frame here. You can see the frame here. I'm shifting it. Then you shift it to the last. Yeah, we have it at the end of the video, the end of the frame. We have it already. Then you hover on the video, you right click, then you see save video frame. Are you getting it now? Or copy video frame. So I'm going to use copy video frame. Then I copied it. I've copied it. Then I come back down here, type to imagine. I click on it. Then I paste the video frame I copied. I paste it here. You can see here. Okay. Why is okay? I've pasted it already. Okay, I've copied. You can see this is the last frame of the previous video. So what I'm going to do is to copy the second shot. The second shot, which continues from the first one. Okay, which contains the scene and also the dialogue. So the second shot, let me see if I've copied it very well. The second shot, you can see. Then I paste it here. Paste it here. Then I'll generate the second shot by clicking this.
What was that? An explosion? A tank?
Yes, you can see that we have the second shot now.
That was your stomach growling, big guy. Oh, still terrifying. What was that? An explosion? A tank? That was your stomach growling, big guy.
Okay, you can see now. Then we download this. It's downloaded. Now to get the third shot, we are also going to take this frame to the end. You can see we have it at the end. Then we go to ChatGPT. We have our story there already. We copy this. We copy. Okay. I'll take it to the end. Then I right click. Okay, I right click. Then copy video frame. I copy video frame. I've copied video frame. Let's see. Copy video frame. Copy video frame. Then if I can see the possible destiny here, then I go to imagine. I go to imagine. I paste the video frame I copied there. Yeah. While it's uploading, I go to ChatGPT. I copy short tray, the dialogue, the script, and whatsoever. I copied it. While the video frame is uploaded. Then I paste the script here. Then I click this icon to generate the third shot.
It's literally a pebble. Pebbles kill too, emotionally, and it's a boulder attack. Calm down. It's literally a pebble. Pebbles kill too.
You can see now we have the third shot now. Let's download this because we are going to imagine everything into a whole video. So for us to get the fourth shot, we bring the frame to the end. Yeah, use your mouse to bring it there to the end. Let me see if it's at the end already. What we'll do is to right click, copy video frame. Good. Then go to imagine and paste the video frame. Yeah, it will upload the video frame. While it's uploading, then we go to ChatGPT, then we copy the shot 4, which continues from shot 3. Shot 4, we have, okay, we have shot 4, then we paste the script here. Good. Then we enter to create the fourth shot.
Distract the enemy. Why me? Because you're distractingly big. That's body shaming in a war zone.
Yes,
you distract
this is
the enemy.
Fourth one.
Why me? Because you're distractingly...
Okay, we have to download this. This is the fourth one. Okay, it's downloaded. Then we have the last shot. That's the final stage. We drag the frame to the end to get the end of this shot 4. Then we right click, we copy video frame. Copy video frame. It's copied. We go to imagine here by the left hand side. Then we come to type to imagine. Then make sure that the option is in video. Then I paste the end of the fourth frame. Yeah, the copied frame. Then we go to ChatGPT and look at Shot 5. Shot 5. Good. Aha. We put it here and we paste it. We paste it here. Then we generate. We generate the video.
Retreat! Retreat! Wait, oh. Did we just survive a butterfly attack? We are legend! Retreat! Retreat! Wait, oh. Did we just survive a butterfly attack? We are legend!
That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. You have it now. You can see this is the final shot. Then we have to download it. Click on download. Good. This is good. And if you have CapCut, that's the next stage. You can bring all these shots together in just a CapCut. You have a video editor like one I have here, a video editor here. Then I can, I have to go and number each shot first. I'll have to number the shot. Okay. This is the, let's say shot 1. Let's say shot 1. The next one will be shot 2. Shot 2. The next one will be shot 3. Shot 3. The next one will be shot 4. Shot 4. The next one will be shot 5, which is the last one. Shot 5. So you have a video editor and you import all the files. You import all the files from shot 1 to shot 5. Then you in all in. Okay, you can shot 1. You can see shot 1. We have shot 2. We have shot 3. We have shot 4. We have shot 5. Okay, we have them at once here. Then let's see how it aligns with the resolution. Let's see, this is the second shot. Okay, let's see the third shot. Let's see. Let's just wait for the final output. That's what we are concerned about. The final output. Okay, let's just play. Let's see how it works. Let me see. I see something that is not a little bit consistent. Okay. Okay, I see, okay, so let's play it.
Are you sure we signed up for this battalion? Relax, we're...
Okay, we can as well choose to increase the volume by hovering this. I just wanted to see the final output as well. So that is it. Let's see the final output here.
Are you sure we signed up for this battalion? Relax, we're heroes. Tiny and huge heroes.
What was that? An explosion? A tank?
That was your stomach growling, big guy. Oh, still terrifying.
And it's a boulder attack!
calm down. It's literally a pebble.
Pebble! Pebbles kill too, emotionally.
You distract the enemy
Why me?
because you're distractingly big.
That's body shaming in a war zone. Punches! Retreat! Retreat! Wait, oh, did we just survive a butterfly attack? We are legend.
So thank you very much. You just need to export it and make it a whole video. I thank you. I want you to subscribe to my channel. This is how to make a long video. You can make it longer than this, up to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, using Grok AI. Using Grok AI. I want you to subscribe to my channel, like, and also share. Thank you.